Hi guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. Please like, comment and share the video. Somizi Mhlongo had tweeps at the edge of their seats when he was on the Casper show, and Casper asked where Mohale is. Somizi was a guest at Casper's show, which is called The Bryce Show. And you guys, the answer to that question had us shocked as Somizi replied that Mohale is dead, meaning he's gone, meaning they are no longer together, meaning there are no plans of them to get back together. So there you have it, guys. Somizi is done with Mohale, and people should accept that the pair is done and they're no longer an item. And I think their relationship was toxic to begin with. I'm so glad that they managed to walk away and find peace. Please subscribe, comment. I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.